Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share an Ollies haul. Really wanted to share our amazing finds. First up, not shown here because I wouldn't be able to get them in the frame anyways. Got a 2-pack of plush luxury throws. They are 60 by 70 inches. It came with a basic just color throw, which is like a light pink, and then a cottage core themed throw, which is white with mushrooms, flowers, and so some greenery. Very beautiful, super thick and soft, and they were $25.99. I did have a 15% off coupon for Ollies, so that made the blankets $22.19. So I got $3.90 off of the blankets. Yeah, how awesome is that? I love when they send coupons because they already have amazing prices, but then when you get a coupon, it's even better. The next item is a large 4-quart ceramic non-stick saute pan. I needed a new pan for frying fish, making hamburger helper, frying chicken. So basically, I'm going to use this to fry. They had them in this beautiful pink color and a beautiful green. And normally, I would have totally grabbed that green one. But I just loved the looks of this pink one the day we went. It says it's heavy gauge, steel core, rosemary select by Ico. Easy to clean, forged edge for increased strength, durable steel core, stay cool, ergonomic handle, and it's free of a bunch of stuff. It has 2 layers, and it has a handle here, and it's like silicone-y, and it came with a lid. It's actually pretty deep. I love that. I love this pink color, and it has like a silicone type deal, soft grip handle as well. They had these in a variety of different sizes as well. So 4-quart, a small one, a medium one. Well, this pan is beautiful. This was $15.99. With 15% off, it made it $13.59. $2.40 less. What a steal. Love this. I love getting new things for the kitchen. And they had knockoff Crocs, and they had different sandals there when we went, and Connor needed a new pair of slip-ons, either sandals or like Croc-like shoes, and they had these in black, which those are the ones he picked. They had them in green, a teal color. These are unisex. Yeah, they look like a regular Croc, but they were $3.99. With the 15% off, these were $3.39 with 60 cents off. I'm really pleased with these Croc-like shoes, and I found a pair of sandals. These are the sandals that I picked up. I like these for around the house or even walking to the bus stop. Everyday use, really. The bottoms of these are actually really thick. I'm really surprised. They're like this. They're made out of that same plasticky kind of Croc material. These also were $3.99, and with the 15% off, they were $3.39 with 60 cents off. I got this beautiful olive green shade, which no surprise there. They had these white, black, navy, peach color, a mint teal color, lots of different type styles. At the bottom there you have like lines, and then on the top this is kind of reminds me of like cable knit sweater look. The sole looks like this, and they have like a little breather hole here in the inner portion of the shoe, not on the outer portion, and they're very comfortable. For $3.99, I may go back and get another, like at least one other color. They're pretty awesome. I really have enjoyed these since getting them. Very nice quality too for that price. We're getting ready to go into middle school, so when we saw these backpacks, we were looking at them. We found this particular design and Connor liked it. It has the side pockets on it. It has a front pocket. It has a spot for headphones, and of course it has like the mesh on the handles here. Same way on the back. We didn't go there with the intentions of getting a backpack, but when we saw them, it was a really good deal, and it gets a good jump start on buying school stuff, especially when you can find a good deal. The backpack is from Eagle Sport, and it had been $7.99 and then marked down to $4.99, and it had been $15.99 at the original price, which isn't even, that's not bad for a backpack. In the past, we paid way up there for backpacks that have just ended up ripping and, you know, tearing up. So if this one does that, we'll just buy another one. It's no big deal. This was $4.99 with the 15% off. It was $4.24, making that 70 cents off. So honestly, you cannot beat that. Get a head start on school supply shopping, and we really liked this print. So they had a bunch of backpacks to choose from. And oh, this one is also an 18-inch backpack. So that's really good. They had smaller ones as well. Now a few beauty items. This is just a bath sponge, like a loofah. These are the Equate brand of loofahs, and let's see, it says this retailed for $1. Ollies had this for 89 cents, and with the 15% off, this was 76 cents. So that is a really good deal for a loofah. And I found a couple really awesome beauty finds. I needed some new makeup wipes because the ones that I'd previously got from Ollies, I am out of. So this is from the brand Embrace Your Face. They were, the original price is $4.99. Their price was $3.29. With the 15% off, these were $2.80 with 40 cents off because of the coupon. And I really love this groovy like packaging. That's not why I got them though, but I just needed makeup remover wipes. But look at the cute packaging. So you get makeup removing wipes with a cucumber extract, a charcoal wipe, which is purifying and detoxifying, aloe vera extract, which is hydrating and soothing, and then tea tree extract, and that is clarifying and soothing. Yeah, so super duper cute packaging. So 4 different types of wipes for $2.80. You cannot beat that. There is 30 wipes each container, so you get 120 total wipes. Honestly, you just can't beat those prices. I'm just using these for makeup removal and like swatches and things, so win-win. And then I really wanted to find this item because every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I can never find any under eye mask anymore. I really wanted to find these when I saw these in someone else's video. These are the Spothicary eye mask. So the under eye mask. So there's a cucumber hydrogel, a brightening hydrogel, and a collagen hydrogel. And they're color coordinated. You get 4 pairs per eye treatment, or per, yeah, like treatment type. So you get 12 total pairs in this box. I am stoked, totally stoked about this find. I'm so excited. And the price on these, their price was $4.99. Their price was $2.99. With that 15% off, I got these for $2.54, marking that down 40 cents. according to the receipt. I mean, because of course there is taxes on this. I feel so happy to have gotten 15% off on all of these items. It would have been $71, but with the 15% off, we only paid $60.50. So excited for that. All the finds. But that's all that we picked up from Ollies on this day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you will go check Ollies out. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Ollies links.